Hello, SAT math people. Today we're going to continue our work with exponents. Okay, let's do some math. Given g of x equals a times the square root of a times the quantity 1 minus x, if g of negative 8 equals 375, what is the value of a? Okay, so we have this expression is given. And then we also know that g of negative 8, let's find g of negative 8 with this first function is everywhere you see an x, you're going to put negative 8. That's what that means. So you have a times the square root of a times 1 minus negative 8. Don't forget that negative sign. So now we're going to substitute because g of negative 8 is equal to a times the square root of a times 1 minus negative 8, but it's also equal to 375. That's given in the problem. So we're going to substitute g of negative 8, we're going to make that 375, and that equals a times the square root of a times 1 minus negative 8 is 1 plus 8, and that is 9, so that's 375 equals a times the square root of a times 9. And one of the exponent rules is if you have the square root of a times b, you can separate those and make those the square root of a times the square root of b. So that's what I did there. I said 375 is equal to a times the square root of a times the square root of 9, which we know is 3. So that helps us out there. Divide both sides by 3. We're trying to solve for a here. So we get 125 equals a times the square root of a. So now we're going to use the fact that the nth root of a to the m is equal to a to the m over n. Okay, so that's how I got the square root of a. I put, instead of square root of a, I put a to the 1/2. Also, a to the m, look at the blue, times a to the m is equal to a to the n plus n, and follow that arrow over. And so what I did was I said that's, a to the 1 plus 1/2. And 1 plus 1/2 is 2 halves plus 1/2, which is 3 halves. Now we're going to use the fact that a to the n times taken to the mth power is a to the n times m. So we're going to raise both sides to the power of 2/3 because I want a to be to the first power. So we're going to multiply 3 halves times 2/3 and get 1. So we have the cube root of 125 squared. If you look at that orangey rule, nth root of a to the m equals a to the m over n. That's how I got there. Is equal to a, because a to the 3 halves to the 2/3 is a to the first. And the cubed root of 125 is 5, because 5 cubed is 125. That's the blue up at the top there near my head. Okay, so we have the cubed root of 125 squared equal to a, and that is equal to, and the cube root of 125 is 5, so 5 squared is 25. And a is the answer.